Today I present a recipe that can be useful for naturally cleansing the liver. The recipe consists of mixing half an ounce of extra virgin olive oil, half an ounce of yellow lemon juice, and half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a glass. It is recommended to take this mixture for 5 consecutive days. Many people choose to follow this routine for 3 weeks to get the best results. The liver is a vital organ that is responsible for filtering the blood and metabolizing the nutrients we ingest. If the liver does not function properly, serious health problems such as liver disease, diabetes, and high cholesterol can occur. Therefore, maintaining a healthy liver is essential to our health. The recipe of olive oil, yellow lemon juice, and cayenne pepper can help naturally cleanse the liver. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids that can reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. Yellow lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and helps fight free radicals that can damage liver cells. Finally, cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that can increase bile production and improve digestion. In addition to the health benefits for the liver, this recipe may also have other positive effects on the body. Olive oil is beneficial for the cardiovascular system and can reduce the risk of heart disease. Yellow lemon juice can improve the health of the immune system and reduce the risk of infections. Finally, cayenne pepper can increase metabolism and help burn fat. In conclusion, the recipe of olive oil, yellow lemon juice, and cayenne pepper is a natural and effective option for improving liver and overall body health. If you have liver health problems or simply want to keep your liver in good condition, this recipe may be a good option. It is important to remember that before starting any new health regimen, you should consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any concerns or medical conditions. Please note that the information provided in this article is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice or opinion. If you have questions or concerns about your health, you should speak with a healthcare professional. If you found this article helpful, we invite you to share it with your friends and family. You can also follow us on our social media platforms for more information on health and wellness. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest publications. Thank you.